The biggest poison in us is regret. I think there are a lot of people out there that have dreams and aspirations of things they have always wanted to do, but it wasn't the right time. Maybe they didn't have enough experience, or maybe they didn't have enough money. Bro, you have to understand this. It is never the right time. You are never gonna have the right experience. And all of a sudden, you wake up and you're 70. And you're like, oh God, I wish I could have done it. Or I wish could have done that. It is what you don't do that screws with you. I've got one shot at this life. One shot. That's it. And I don't want to go through life being the 80% version of me. I don't want to look back and be like 70 and saying, I didn't do that. There is so much I want to do. And I love life so much. I don't want to miss it. What about you, man? So don't wait. Don't stall. Don't die with dreams inside you. Make it happen.